If you're not familiar with our website, our filters are designed to help you find exactly what you need. Let's say you're looking for some Labradorite plugs. From our homepage, start by clicking in the Plug/Stretching category. Click on the size you need. As you can see, there are many options, but let's narrow it down by specifically searching for Labradorite in our filters area on the left side. We're down to 2 options. Now pick your favorite and add it to the cart. Time to look for some weights. Click on the Other Jewelry section. Find the weights area. Let's search for some medium weights. Wow, that's a lot of options. But you only have a $40 budget, so open the price filter to adjust the slider. Now you are also at 2 gauge, so open the gauges and size menu to select that. Once you have added those, click on the Search and Apply Filters button. That's a lot of choices. Let's narrow the options down by material. You want steel jewelry. Apply that filter. These twisted hoop weights look nice. Time to add it to the cart. From our main page, select the More area and click on Tools. These rubber tip pliers will do the job. Let's add it to the cart. As you can see, we have many filters to help you find what you need, but if you need additional help, feel free to reach out to our team.